What's going on, YouTube gardeners? This your boy Sydney from the Naked Gardener channel. This weekend we're celebrating Pop's 83rd birthday, and while we're here, we're going to revamp his garden. We got some mulch that we're going to do. We got some pruning that we got to do, some weeding, kind of uplifting some of these flowers to make sure that they continue to reproducing, and pruning some of these tomatoes and finding out the cause of these squashes. So let's get growing.
It's not that ticklish. Kind of cool. Put your other hand up to it so it'll go from one hand to the other.
Yeah.
Like that. And it'll think it's going on a journey, but it's...
Oh, Jada's doing it?
Mm-hmm.
Put your other hand back up there.
Yeah, see? You gotta keep doing that. And it'll think it's on a journey.
Try it.
Oh, those are nice. Let me see them. Oh, they are so pretty. You can go give them to mommy. You gonna give them to mommy? Yeah.
All right, so I got my lovely niece here with her kids. So I'm gonna task them something to do in the garden to get them introduced into gardening. Got, of course, my mini-me. He's gonna be doing the mulching as always. And then we got Pop supervising. We're gonna give him a little small task to do. What I have you and your kids doing, start weeding. So you're gonna take some of the weeds out throughout the beds through here, and then y'all gonna spread some fertilizer. Okay. And then with you, you're gonna take the bag of mulch, spread it all down, and what the mulch is gonna do is help suppress the grass and weeds coming up through the walkways. And it helps retain some of the moisture around the garden beds as well. And then Dad, I'm gonna just have you, once we're all done, water and make sure that everybody's doing their job. If you see something that you want done, just let them know.
Got to go.
Alrighty. So Junior, you start over there, breaking down the bag. So, come here. So every these little grass things like this.
Yeah, make sure they know the difference between that and the plants.
Just pull it out the ground like that. You see that? Can you do that?
There's a lot of little ones.
Yep. Y'all doing a good job. Over here, we had bought these determinate plants, tomatoes, and as you can see, they're probably just a dwarf indeterminate plant. But we're gonna want to add some airflow through here, so I'm gonna prune this up about 12 inches above the soil, so that way it can get some airflow through here. And normally, on regular indeterminate plants, what you want to do is you want to prune these suckers, and this basically is, you'll see another stem growing out of the elbow or the armpit, kind of similar to like your armpit of your body, and you want to clip it. But since these are determinate plants, you want to keep these on so that way it continue to put in that energy and producing flowers. So I'm just going to prune these up.
I didn't see any.
Oh, there's one right here.
Oh yeah, look at
You
the
see?
little tomato. Take a picture. I can't
Oh,
see. You see it?
yeah.
See?
It's hiding in there.
Don't pull it.
Yeah, you can just the little stuff. Yeah, just pull it up. There, you got it. He's strong.
Good job.
He's strong, boy. And you fast? Oh, do you see this little one right here? Yeah, there you go. Yeah. He's good at that.
So you got to be careful with these leaves, because these are like winter leaves, the winter squash, and they're prickly you see the little spikes right here?
Yeah.
So you got to be careful of that. So you just take it right here, about like ½ inch above it, and just clip it off. Oh, this one's a double one. Look at that.
So is that finished? Like how can you?
No, that's not finished, but you can still eat it.
They're nice, tender.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay.
I like
So-
tender squash.
Let's do, I think there was
There's a big one on the other side.
is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So are these prickly too?
Yeah, all of these are prickly. All these are the same kind. So you could do, let me show you how to do. Hold that one, Jaden. I'm gonna move this one out the way so you can get a good shot of it. You can grab that one.
Ooh, they are sharp. Jesus. Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Cool.
This is where your food comes from the garden. You want to hold it?
That's squash, Casey.
Now, what most people in
Oh, there is another one.
Oh, there's another big one down in there.
Yeah.
So what these, there's a difference between a male flower of a squash plant and a female flower. So this is a male flower. It doesn't, you'll see, and this will be like a female flower. You see where that squash is at right here?
Yeah.
That's how you can tell the difference between a female flower and
Wait,
a.
let me see the male one again.
This is a male one. You see it doesn't have any fruit.
Yeah.
It doesn't have the fruit at the end of it. And right here, you can see another female flower right here, or female fruit, because it's you see the squash on it.
Okay.
And right here is a it's a female flower, but you see how it's turned brown.
Yeah.
It's a calcium deficiency on here. It's probably from all the rain that we've been having. So it doesn't have a lot of calcium in the soil, because with the rain it just flushes out of the soil, the calcium out the soil. So what we did is we got some fertilizer to produce more calcium into the soil for the plants to take it up. So after y'all get done weeding all of the garden beds, we'll have y'all put some fertilizer throughout the bed.
To feed it.
Okay.
You want to pick one?
Yeah.
There's still a big one down in there.
Yeah.
You gotta use these.
Like scissors.
So you gotta clip right here. Be careful, it's sharp.
It's sharp.
Clip right there. This one.
Cut it.
There you go.
Good job, Jaden. Look
Your
at you.
first squash.
Cool.
Let me see how big that one is.
Show for the.
All right, that looks good.
So clip it right there. There it is.
Yeah, you got it.
All right.
Good job.
Here you go.
Good job.
See, Junior became a mulch pro and didn't even know.
Right up there.
Look at the worm.
Let me see.
It's alive.
Yeah.
Let me see your hand.
You gonna touch the worm?
Let me see. Oh, she's holding it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
Hey.
Come on,
Oh, it's moving.
that's cool.
Oh, that's how you do it.
For onions, you could do it like this.
Oh, these are the North Holland red.
So there's onions that's called not.
That's what he's planting right there. Bunch of onion.
I prefer to have it in the front yard. There's too many bugs.
There's bugs everywhere
Bugs
you go.
won't kill you.
No, but it's more in the backyard.
Jaden, you
You trying
want
to take her job?
plant some cucumbers?
Yeah. Is it how
She's over here bossing mommy.
So I'm gonna show you how to do one, and then I'm gonna have you do one, okay? So we take it out like that. Cucumbers, you don't want to disturb the root. You just put it in there, make a little good hole, just like that. Think you can do that?
Yes. Okay.
Put it in that hole right there, and then cover it with some dirt. There you go.
Good
Good
job.
job, Jay. Look at that.
You want to do it too?
She's about this life apparently.
They'll do it. They like to help.
Snatched it too.
She's rough. Okay, not too much. Not too much.
Be
Okay.
good.
It's a good job.
Good job.
Go like this. Oh, she's like, that.
Let me show you how to do this.
No, she does it one time and she's an expert.
Yeah.
All right, so now it's time to fertilize. We got to feed the plants.
Y'all ready to
Go grab
feed the
that bag
plants?
of fertilizer.
I should have somebody record her open up her kids. I could not catch her.
Good. Look at that.
Is she strong?
Yeah, she was like, I
Show
got
me your
this.
muscles, Casey.
I want you to scratch in the surface like that. On all the plants.
Just don't hit the actual plants
Yeah.
that are in there.
Mm-hmm. And then y'all just grab like a handful and just spread it around on all the plants.
Just like a little sprinkle.
Yeah, they don't know what school is.
Spread it all around, all the plants. Put some underneath here. Put some right there.
Ready? Wait.
Want me to hold it for you? Oop. There you go. There you go.
Oh, it's washing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
A bit more. A little bit more right here. There we
Spread it out. Don't put it in one spot.
go. Grab all of that. Look, Jaden, Casey, grab that and put it in this wheelbarrow.
This yellow.
Yeah, just grab those. That big
Big
handfuls.
Big old handful.
Mommy.
Wait, you got two?
Mhm.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a long afternoon.
Go ahead, Casey.
Grab the rest of it. Yeah, get it before brother gets it. Uh-oh. Better get it before she gets it. Don't leave any for her. Oh, get it all. Woo!
Oh, she left those. No, baby.
It's a competition.
Beat the motor.
Uh,
Then you got some.
Yeah, some right there. Some right over there. Reason why people have kids for free labor.
so did y'all like doing that work in the garden? What part was your favorite? Did you like pulling the weeds or did you like watering more? You like pulling the weeds? You're really good at that. Yeah. Did you like spreading the fertilizer? Did you like sprinkling the fertilizer?
It's not that wet over there. Everything is wet. That corner.
So this was your first time gardening. What'd you enjoy about it?
I enjoyed everything. I'm not an outside person, so it was really interesting learning new stuff about gardening.
Okay.
So I liked everything.
What about you? Well, you're always the mulch guy, so you like doing the mulch, right?
The muscle work. He likes the muscle work.
Yeah. I don't know why, but. What about you, Dad? What do you like?
I'm the
about
main man.
The main man. Looks like you got a lot of stuff growing out here. We had to prune some of your tomatoes back, and we saw we got some tomatoes back there.
Yeah.
So that's good.
It's
The
a little
kids
work, but it's good. I enjoy it.
yeah. They got the kids that pruned their
Yeah.
first zucchini.
Little great grandkid, they big help to me
Squash.
cut down my work today.
He said send them back.
He said send them back anytime.
Yeah.
I
I'll be
will.
back pick you up every week.
So I hope you like this video of showing the kids how to do a little bit of gardening. If so, make sure you give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel out. And if you are new to the channel and would like to be part of our family, make sure you hit that subscribe button on your way.
Subscribe.
We got some other videos if you want to watch a Pop's Garden. We'll put it on the side for you to follow along. Until the next video, let's grow together.
I think it's time